Neal Sheppard here with Wild Willies Custom Accessories at Aikens in Winder, Georgia. I want to showcase something we're going to do more and more of, and try to keep, at least 10 to 15 to 20 on the lot at all times for the convenience of you, the customer. So what we've done with this vehicle is we've leveled the truck with a 2-inch level kit by Ready Lift, and we've installed a 34-inch Toyo Open Country AT2 all-terrain tire, a phenomenal tire, and it looks great. So basically, the wheel on this particular model, XLT, mimics and looks like the Raptor wheel, and you've got 34-inch tires, so it sits perfectly leveled, fills the fender well up very nicely, just gives it an overall great look and a great ride quality also. Some other things we've done is we've installed wheel well liners in the rear. So they come from the factory in the front, but do not in the rear. I wish they would, but they don't. But this just flushes up and buttons up the rear. You don't see any body paint, or you can't see through the truck at all, which is great. So that's a great addition. Also, we have the Aikens bed liner with a lifetime warranty. Do a great job with spray on that. WeatherTech floor mats, front and rear. Give you great coverage to protect the inside of your vehicle. Laser etched, and they lock in also, as you can see. Window tint was installed as well. It has a full warranty with it also. I'm going to give you another shot of how that just makes the truck look so much better. Looks great. All this and more at Wild Willies Custom Accessories at Aikens and Winder, Georgia. We're going to have, like I said, a good inventory of this from now on. And of course, if you already have a vehicle and want to do some aftermarket accessories to us, reach out to us. We'd love to help you.